Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Among Us Venom versus Among Us Spider-Man. It's going to be simple, completely easy, and completely for beginners. Um, but all right, let's get started, okay? It's going to be about 8 to 10 minutes. A very, very simple lesson, like I said. So stay all the way to the very end and let me know what you think. But definitely try it out. That's kind of important to do. All right, let's jump in. Before I do that, don't forget if you like learning how to draw Among Us, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. That's going to let you know when I post. I post 3 times a day right now, and I'm going to do a lot of new stuff coming up, so absolutely stick around if my stuff is worth your time. Alrighty, let's go over here, and I'm going to draw a curve right here for Venom's visor. He's going to be an imposter. So it's gonna be like at an angle. Curve here for the front. Curve here for the back. Curve underneath. So it's like a pillow shape at an angle. Going over here, putting a line across, like as thick as you can, just kind of make it look like a reflection. Line over here for the top of the head. Curve line right here for the top of the head. Line down. Line over here for the lips. It's going to go back a bit. Line over here for that little Venom has a piece of skin like from his smile to where his mouth is, and that's basically it's what lizards have, and I like it on Venom, so I'm gonna put it on him here, and I'm gonna open the bottom here. I'm gonna add teeth, and they're just gonna be triangle shapes. I'm trying to vary up the size of them. Over here at the bottom as well, so varying up the size. Line down. Let's draw the back of the head here. It's kind of folding in. So it's going to be a line here, a little bit of a line there, like a bulge line, and down. Curve, curve, up, up, line in for his bottom waist. Let's draw the backpack. Out, down. The backpack itself is going to have a bend in it. Over here, down. All right. And let's draw the tongue sticking out. This one's going to be a lot thicker to thin because Venom's tongue is thick to thin. So, because like a regular, there goes, draw there. A regular imposter, if tongue's like a little like stick, basically. I'm gonna draw his a little bit more thicker, and it's gonna end right here. Let's end it right here, and then we're gonna start Spider-Man's visor over here. Curve, curve over here from the top of the visor down, and it's gonna curve underneath and more or less disappear on that side. I'm gonna put some cracks coming from there, like it's cracking through the screen, through the visor, and I'll still throw like a little bit of a reflection line here to fit that in. Go to the top, curve the top of the head here. Pull a line down, but not all the way down. I want to make him seem like he's smaller, or at least off the ground. down over here, the front. And the feet are going to be hanging. So right there and right there. Line over here for the lower waist. Doing all right? Don't forget to hit the like. You know, these things are, you know, pretty hard to do sometimes. So, like, the like definitely helps out. It kind of lets me know what to add more of. And what it also does is it helps the channel out. It helps the channel growth. And it just, yeah, it's just really good in general if you can do that. If you do. All right. Let's keep kind of moving in here. I guess when I'm like thinking, okay, I got to put the backpack on. So right here, I'm going to go over here. Pull out, kind of like halfway between the visor there. Down, and then pull down around the lower waist. So let's go into Spider-Man's design first. Venom doesn't have like a whole lot, but let's go into Spider-Man's. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull a line right here. Out. Over here in the front. Line back. It's going to be like the blue section of his outfit. And then like a line below that. Line right here for the legs. Alright, now I'm going to draw a dot. And I'm going to throw bug legs out of it. I'm going to try to fit 8. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start, you know, drawing the webbing. I can make it come from the visor, but I have to make sure the lines are thinner than the lines I've been using so that it doesn't overwhelm this. Right? I'm just gonna do it. My central point is the visor. And I'm gonna do it down here as well. Oops, I forgot over here as well. On the backpack. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a line across here. And several other lines across here, to be honest. This one you can just more or less turn into a checkerboard. You know, you can draw it across there. Like so. See, it looks pretty dang good actually, just for like the checkerboard more or less look. But you have to make it thinner. That's the thing. And leave those spaces for blue open. For Venom, it's a couple of different things. So I would kind of look at his. He doesn't always have his chest plate, especially in the movie. So, I mean, what you could do to add some stuff to him is you could maybe. No, yeah, let's just do the spider on his chest he has generally. So, I'm gonna maybe draw a circle here. You can even draw maybe like a full circle here. If you can fit in some like spikes there for the teeth of the spider. I'm only making it like a circle though, because usually he has like 2 circles, right? It looks like a bug. But I'm gonna go over here, draw a line out, down, and maybe up here around the corner. Down over here, up, over here, out, down. I was gonna go around the corner there. I'm drawing very thin, so be very careful. And I'll do one more, honestly. Usually he has like 8 more, you know, like all of it. But I'm going to like keep it at that. And let's jump into color, okay? Before I jump into color, I want to ask you, because color is going to be a sped up version, I want to ask you if you could please share the video if you enjoyed it, or if it helped you out. Sharing the video with like a friend, or what you can do is go on Twitter right there. There's literally like an auto share button here on YouTube. Absolutely auto share it if you can. It helps so much with the growth of the channel. And yeah, that'd be awesome if you can. It takes 2 seconds to do it. And I put some lines in there just to kind of give it some direction here, like some fold lines in the tongue. But let me jump into color really quick. All right, it's going to be sped up. I'll see you in the next video, and stick around for this color. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.